One of the biggest impacts that we've seen from onboarding Aspire is our efficiencies. Aspire has reduced our scheduling time probably about 60%. Par 3 started back in 1995. We noticed a need in Las Vegas when it came to maintaining all the high-end properties, from tree work, construction, enhancements, and then obviously maintenance. Our challenges kind of consisted around having a lot of discrepancies on standardizing what we were doing. So you had some people using a template that we built in 2000, some people were using the 2005 version. Adopting Aspire really helped us standardize a lot of those things that we struggled with. Everything looks uniform that comes to a customer's hands. The great thing about it is that you can look at how your company's performing on a daily basis and know that the revenues and numbers that you're looking at are up to date. Within Aspire, it was really quick and easy to see what the guys are doing out in the field, have them update notes on what they're doing, get that to the customer, and get us paid a whole lot quicker. We were able to spend more time out in the field doing what we do best, which is landscaping, and less time in the software, which is really why we onboarded it.